Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to install lowering springs on a Mustang that's coming by. Right now I'm just gonna get the garage ready and have some coffee while he gets here. So yeah, see you in a minute. Alright, so here we have the coilovers. You said they're SR, yeah? SR coilovers. Here's the car. Just like everything, first thing we're gonna do is disconnect the battery. And let's get right into it. Alright, so took the tire out, took this part out right here, the 17 and 18, 17 right here in the back, 18 in the front. Took the big spindle, hit it with the hammer as you saw that. Took the brake out too, and then it's all loose. We just gotta take out the 3 top bolts with the 15mm and it will come out.
I like both.
So rotor's back, brakes back, 2 bolts here, 1 here, 2 clips, torque them all.
I know, because you never see it.
Mustang 60 4 has all torque fix and all that stuff. Alright, so here we just do these 2 bolts for the 18mm, 2 13s here, and the 10 here. You loosen this up, and then once you loosen this big bolt here, It'll drop down and we can get the spring out. We gotta get the muffler loose so it can come down and we shall see. There's donuts?
Right here.
Woo!
So tell me how did you...
We're good. Now, come on over here.
Oh, take it out. Take it out, you're gonna have to hold it. Give me the other spring. Not too much thickness. Hold on.
Here.
Yeah. Alright, go up. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, hold it there for a minute. What? It's holding it?
What?
Marty uses my damn leg. When you don't feel things
With the assist.
and it ends up working. Jesus.
I burn that shit like a major laser, earn that shit like major paper. I melt that beat like a fucking getter, but you know I do it fucking better. And you know I make her fucking wetter than Jaws in the water during stormy weather, than Calvin Harris the opposing gender. Poor Gore's got you nuts, so you better get her. She on that pill like Diplo, I got a sick hoe, she likes dip flow. Like Dylan Francis likes to get low, relax on, hold low, I got a sick flow. I can make any beat just like Skrillex, I swear I can make Justin Bieber feel it. And I can make Kicked Up really wanna steal it, then I can make Scooter Braun wanna sign a deal with it.
Yeah, so what? Getting lit like we Will Sparks, and we coming up like the modern day Mozart. Yeah, we getting lucky with the ladies like we're Daft Punk. This is how we party, rehab, it's a slam dunk. We hear you G-Eazy, man, this shit ain't fucking random. Oops, not a DJ, but that motherfucker's handsome. About to be Darude and turn this beat into a sandstorm. About to switch it up and make this motherfucker transform.
Nah, fuck that.